few days ago, this was nothing more than a roll of filament. Today, it's a fully functional VTOL UAV. In this video, I'll show you how it all came together. Every aircraft starts as a collection of parts: flight controller, GPS, motors, servos, and power systems. Together, they'll become a complete aircraft. For 3D printed aircraft, both weight and strength are critical. That's why I use ABS and ASA to balance lightweight design with structural durability and weather resistance. As the printer gets to work, the digital design slowly becomes reality. While the airframe is being built, the flight controller is configured and calibrated. Everything is prepared for flight. I'm using AGC, a simplified ground station based on ArduPilot. It already comes with a pre-configured setup file, so there's no need for complex tuning. I can simply import the configuration and get the system ready for flight. With all the parts finally ready, the transformation begins. What was once a collection of separate components starts becoming a real aircraft, piece by piece, connection by connection. Before flying, every system needs to be verified. At this stage, the aircraft is still on the ground, but for the first time, everything is working together as a complete system. After all the preparation, it's finally time to fly. The aircraft lifts into a stable hover. Everything is working as expected. The hover mode is very stable even with minimal input. The aircraft remains well controlled. We are introducing manual disturbances.to simulate real wind conditions. The aircraft shows no signs of stress. Next comes the transition. The aircraft accelerates forward and smoothly enters fixed-wing flight. Switching to FPV view. This is the moment everything comes together. From a 3D printed structure to a fully flying aircraft, the control feels smooth, stable, and extremely responsive. This is exactly how it was designed to fly. Very stable in the air. Locked-in feel throughout the flight. Smooth response on every input. Even in wind, it stays solid and controlled. Only minor corrections needed. No oscillation. No drift. The aircraft feels very predictable. Control is direct and precise. Smooth and consistent performance. It holds attitude extremely well. Everything feels balanced and clean. Return to home engaged. Stable response. Smooth path. Fully under control. The aircraft reaches the home position automatically. It switches to vertical mode for landing. Descent is smooth and stable. Final approach is precise and controlled. Every component was designed, printed, and assembled, and today, it finally proved itself in the sky. Touchdown is clean and steady. Thanks for watching. This is Han FPV. See you in the next build.